Hey guys, Vic here with PhoneArena with a video comparison with the brand new Google Pixel 6a, comparing its video recording capabilities against last year's Google Pixel 5a. And right now I'm just using the main cameras on both phones to record myself in 4K 30 video resolution. It's a nice summer day, and at least in the viewfinder on the Pixel 5a is more granulated and pixelated, I should say, while the Pixel 6a has a higher quality viewfinder. I don't know if the video quality is indicative of what you actually see on your screen on the Pixel 5a, but it looks worse, way worse here in the viewfinder. And let me also demonstrate the video stabilization quickly by walking. Alright, I'm going back to my electric scooter, which is my ride for the day. Both phones also have an ultra-wide camera, so let me quickly switch over to that as well. 0.6x ultra-wide camera. Get a much wider perspective. Switching back to 1x. Alright guys, this is the Pixel 6a against its predecessor, the Pixel 5a, and I can tell you even before looking at the footage that there is gonna be some differences here. We're recording at night, 4K 30 video on both phones, so I'm at the park and boom, what a difference, at least here in the viewfinder. I can definitely see that the footage from the Pixel 5a looks downright terrible, definitely not great. You can see over sharpening, no detail at all. Pixel 6a, not great, but definitely much better. Alright. You can see that the dynamic range on the Pixel 6a has improved a great deal, so it's definitely a huge upgrade when it comes to the cameras, at least here in nighttime video recording. Alright, let me pause here for a moment, slowly pan these cameras, and going back to my electric scooter. You can definitely see the grass is not this red color as you see on the Pixel 5a, definitely isn't. But you let me know if you see the same kind of differences that I see here in my screen, and which one do you prefer?